Today we're going to do a little call and response song called Walking Through the Jungle. And there's lots of yoga poses to do along the way. I'll sing a line and then you sing it back. Let's go. We begin with a walk. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a lion roaring at me. Coming into lion pose, everyone. Down on your knees. After 3, big roar to the sky. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rah! And let's carry on in the jungle. Coming to stand and walking. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a monkey jumping at me. Let's do a monkey jump, coming all the way down to crouch. And after 3, big jump in the air with a monkey call. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, well done everyone. Coming up to stand and let's carry on in the jungle. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see an elephant trumpeting at me. Wow, jump your feet wide everyone. Take your arm up to make your trunk and let's do a big loud trumpet sound. Ready? Ow! And all the way up. Well done everyone. Let's carry on through the jungle. Here we go. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a snake hissing at me. Coming down to lie on your tummies, everyone, into your snake pose. Hands under your shoulders and wriggle, wriggle, wriggle up with a nice Oh, well done everyone. Coming up to stand again. Let's carry on walking. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a tiger clawing at me. Coming down onto all 4s, everyone. Let's try our tiger pose. Reach one arm out and see if you can reach your opposite leg at the same time. Oh, try not to wobble and do a big claw. And the other way. Hand and knee come back down. Other arm goes out, other leg goes out. Ready? Fantastic. Coming up to stand and let's carry on. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a crocodile snapping at me. Let's come into crocodile pose, lying on our sides, everyone. Make your arms as long as they'll go above your head, and then use your top arm to open and close your big crocodile teeth. Yes, snapping away. Oh my goodness me. Let's carry on through the jungle. Coming up to stand and walking. Walking through the jungle, what can I see? I can see a butterfly fluttering at me. Coming to sit on your bottoms, everyone. Joining the soles of your feet together, holding onto your toes so that you can stretch and flutter your butterfly wings. Now let's have a look at those beautiful butterfly colours. Let's lift up one wing. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing! We've got pinks and oranges and reds and golds. Beautiful. Lowering that wing down, fluttering a little bit further, and then let's look under the other wing. 1, 2, 3. Amazing blues and greens and turquoise and silver. It's gorgeous. Lowering that one down, fluttering a bit further. Shall we look under both wings, both at the same time? Come on, I think we should. Ready? After 3, see if you can hold your balance. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Amazing! All the colours of the rainbow! Lowering your feet back down, everyone. Well done. Thanks for walking through the jungle with me. Have an amazing day.